Okay, I think they've added another weird game mode in Fortnite because of 14 days of Fortnite, and things in here are getting very, very weird. And you know that if I say it's weird, it's obviously gonna be very weird. So yeah, this weird mode is called Ground Game, and it's a squads thing for 14 days of Fortnite. The focus is on fighting smart. Spray and pray, and build spamming isn't an option here. Fewer building mats can be carried, and the max ammo is limited. So use the natural cover that the map provides, and make every shot count. So why not we just play it? This game mode is gonna be very interesting. Hello, you guys have mics? No. Okay. Out of all places, we had to land at the first stop that happened to be Pleasant. And I landed on a hostel. Which is pretty nice. Don't you come up here? That was useless. Oh god. Oh no, that's not what I'm gonna do. I meant to take the shield, but apparently I used the rift. That's nice. Sorry, I was a little late to Christmas stuff. So yeah, this is weird. Very, very weird. A lot more weird stuff going on here, so I mean, yeah. And out of all places, we had to go to the first stop, and our squad is pretty much all like spread out. I didn't even know that I didn't dance at that one until my teammate danced. That's nice. Okay. I'm just taking cover behind here, because I'd rather not have to build. Nice. No more mats for you. Trying to avoid building. This is basically a no building challenge. And this is why I shouldn't spray and pray. Our team is the worst. And yeah. Just walk away. Just walk away. Oh god. I'm dying. No. Yeah, I'm I played myself. Good job, me. This game mode is gonna be a lot different than I thought. And I mean a lot! Alright, what's going on? Oh shoot. I didn't land with the squad. I was AFK for a few seconds and then yeah. They're going salty while I'm on the other side of the map. I'm at Snobby and they're at Salty. Well, I mean, good job, me. Let's give me the slow clap. Wow! While I was slow clapping, one of my people got killed. One of my people got killed! Oh, I got killed! Oh, jeez. Man, this game is... I don't get it. And I just realized there's more effects on my stream. Well, my, recording than there is on my, game. I have to down the resolution too much. I will save you, 'cause I am super guy. Save me, super guy. No. I mean, give me a weapon in exchange for your life. I need one. Ah! Give me that tag. Thank you. Dun, 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 dun. Why do I even farm mats? They're pretty much unusable in this game mode. But I'm still trying to gain as much as possible. No, I don't need to do the chair challenge. I've already completed that. Jeez, I barely have any ammo. Nah, I shouldn't do that. I think someone's here. What's he doing? Just like... Enemy spotted. Oh shoot, the trap. I hate the traps. No, don't thirst me. No. Thank you. Thank you. Chick chick bang. Oh god, it just froze. This is basically the one clip challenge. No, I'm not quite a ripoff of C-Day. Destroy that. I am done with that. I will save you, cause I'm super guy again, and I'm still doing the one clip challenge, cause I'm totally not younger C-Day. Okay, I barely have any bullets. Oh, hello. I hate shotguns. I love shotguns. And yet again, I'm saving another one of my teammates, because I'm super guy. I need meds, or else I'm gonna die. I was just taking the thing because it had more, you know, like. Okay. What am I doing? Nothing. I could have sworn I just heard a chest. Oh my god. In all of that warfare, one chest just somehow managed to survive. I'm surprised. And it barely had anything in it. I was hoping for meds. I'm trying to take a little bit of fall damage so if I get revived, then I'll be at 30. I can't ring it. Oh, there we go. Alright. No. Ah! My tiny bullets. Yeah, if I get shot once, like from far away with a shotgun, then I'm dead. Ooh. Big pot. I need it. I need the big pot! So I need literally all the meds I can possibly get. Yeet. At least they're still spectating me. What is the max of heavy ammo? 30. Oh my gosh. But I mean the max of. Okay, please give me meds. I need meds. I don't have meds. Alright, I'm gonna search that house over there for meds. I'm surprised I haven't been thirsted in any of these kills. Because usually I would have been thirsted many times by now. Just one meds. Subtle. My chest. Meds! Sorry, I'm evil. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god. I just gave her one because that's all I had. But I mean I'm at 60 health now, so that's good. Big pot. I need to spoil myself with a big pot. Crouching up and down like crazy right now. No, I need a med kit. And you don't. Ah! Okay then. Get on! You have to come quickly! Timmy fell down the well, Vance! Get on. Okay then. Not go as intended. They only raise the backside of it. It's harder to fly. See, it's just trying to carry it up, but it's failing miserably. Oh my god! Get rid of your balloon! I'm trying to fly here without balloon. I'm really good at driving if it weren't for balloon. laser beam? Laser beam! Oh my god. Nope. You ain't RPGing me. Who does that? I can't flip. Oh, okay then. This is so weird. Oh my gosh, that thing loading in looks so weird too. We're flying! Oh. No! He just left! He left the game! No! Ooh, loot. What happened just now? It's like 3 p.m. Why did he leave? What, was his mom at work or something and just came back and made him get off? Who knows? I think I'm at the max amount of medium bullets. About anyway. It's either 230 or 250. Yep, obviously it's 250. So I'm literally just solo squatting right now. This is amazing. Fine, I'll take a hunting rifle. I'm hoping there's gonna be like some other solo squad at the end of this. Suspicious face. I see a balloon hanging in midair. And I literally have max of everything. Okay, nope. Well, that was very tactical. No. Oh shit. Oh, thank you. I would rather not. How did he jump from that height? Did you? Well, I guess that was 2 rounds of me torturing myself again. So I hope you enjoyed me dying, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye. I'm very bad at that. Bye.